everyone. It looks like we survived weeks 1 and 2. So we are back to uh, completing our assignments week by week. Normally, things will be due that following Sunday by midnight. So keep doing what you're doing. Those of you that have turned things in on time and you're really good about stopping by and asking questions. If you feel that you are falling behind, or maybe you didn't get weeks 1 and 2 completed all of the way, feel free to stop by or email me and we can work out some different plans to keep you on task and make sure that you're following the guidelines that are put in place. A couple of things that I wanted to kind of update you with as we're looking at Unit 2 for this next week. Unit 2 is about seawater, and we'll spend 6 weeks in that unit. So I'll just kind of open it up week by week. Those of you that work a little bit faster, I might start opening things a little bit earlier for you to let you work ahead if you need to. But one big item was the plate tectonics quiz. I felt it was kind of odd that you would be taking the quiz before I had time to grade everything, since it was all due last night. So the quiz is now open and I'm going to be working on your grades. I'm getting those in today so that you can see if there's anything that you need to review. For that quiz, I would definitely look over your notes, have an idea of what those vocab terms mean. You will be allowed to use your notes, but just realize that it's a 50-minute quiz, 50-minute quiz. So you won't have time to really look up everything and then have time to write everything. So just make sure you have a good idea of what the section was about, and then just use those as a reference as needed. Another item this week that's going to be new to us is the Density of Seawater Lab. So that is a lab where you can work in groups, or you can still work by yourself if you want. The materials that you're using for the lab are normal household materials, but if you want me to put a lab kit together, if you don't think you have those things at home, just shoot me an email. Give me time to get some things together for you, and you can get that picked up. Just make sure that you get that lab finished if you're going to be working in groups prior to Sunday night, because you're going to have to write a lab report with that too. So it pays to really plan ahead this week, although the workload isn't as much as what you've seen. Still keep up those notebooks. I'll be emailing you directly or getting a hold of you if I want you to turn in your lab notebook by the end of this week. So once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to stop by, send me an email, and just let me know if you need help. Thank you.